In today's video, we are going to learn about the regulation of secretion of thyroid hormones. Secretion of thyroid hormones is controlled by anterior pituitary and hypothalamus through feedback mechanism. Now, this regulation involves hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis or HPT axis. As you can see in the diagram, the HPT axis is a part of endocrine system responsible for the regulation of metabolism. The hypothalamus produces and secretes thyrotropin releasing hormone or TRH, which travels to the pituitary gland, which is the master gland of the endocrine system, and it is located at the base of the brain. Now, this TRH stimulates pituitary to release TSH. Now, this TSH or thyroid stimulating hormone secreted by anterior pituitary is the major factor regulating the synthesis and release of thyroid hormones. It is also necessary for the growth and secretory activities of the thyroid gland. Thus, TSH influences every stage of formation and release of thyroid hormone. Now let's learn what is the role of TSH in the synthesis and the control mechanism of thyroid hormone secretion. TSH is the peptide hormone with one alpha chain and one beta chain. The half-life of TSH is about 60 minutes. When I say half-life, it means the time required for half the concentration of the hormone to be degraded. Now the normal levels of TSH in the plasma are approximately 2 international unit per ml. Thyroid stimulating hormone performs a number of actions. Number 1, it increases the number of follicular cells of thyroid gland. Number 2, it increases the conversion of cuboidal cells into the columnar cells inside the thyroid gland, thereby it causes the development of thyroid follicle. Number 3, it increases the size and the secretory activity of follicular cells. Number 4, iodide pump and iodide trapping is also increased inside the follicular cells by TSH. Number 5, it increases thyroglobulin secretion into follicles. Number 6, it increases iodination of tyrosine and coupling to form the hormones. Number 7, it increases the proteolysis of the thyroglobulin by which release of hormone is enhanced and colloidal substance is decreased. Immediate effect of TSH is proteolysis of the thyroglobulin by which thyroxine is released within 30 minutes. Effect of TSH on other stages in thyroid synthesis takes place after some hour or some days or some weeks. Now let's learn about the feedback control. Thyroid hormones regulate their own secretion through negative feedback control by inhibiting the release of TRH from hypothalamus and TSH from anterior pituitary, as you can see in the figure. There are some other factors too which control secretion of thyroid hormone and the synthesis of thyroid hormone. One of those factors is iodide. When the dietary levels of iodine is moderate, the blood levels of thyroid hormone is normal. However, when iodine intake is high, the enzymes necessary for the synthesis of thyroid hormones are inhibited by iodide itself, resulting in suppression of hormone synthesis. This effect of iodide is called Wolff-Chaikoff effect. Other than iodide, there are some more factors that decrease the secretion of thyroid hormone by inhibiting the release of TRH. Those are stress, somatostatin hormone, glucocorticoid hormone, and dopamine hormone. There are some other factors that increase the secretion of thyroid hormone. These are number 1, low basal metabolic rate, number 2, leptin, number 3, alpha melanocyte stimulating hormone. So this was all about the control mechanism of thyroid hormone secretion. If you liked the video, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.